In this short video, I'm going to show you how one simple shift in thinking can make an almost exponential difference in your revenue. Let's start with the fact that there are only three ways to grow a business. Number one, get new clients. Number two, increase the average transaction amount per client per year. Number three, increase the average number of transactions per year. Now, most of you probably know all this, yet various studies continue to find that nearly half of companies spend most of their marketing effort and budget only on getting new clients. They don't pay much attention to increasing the average transaction amount or increasing the average number of transactions. And that's even though it costs them from 5 to 11 times as much to acquire a new client as it does to keep one. Plus, as you all know, it's so much easier to sell new products and services to existing clients than to new ones. So here's some eye-opening math that might get you thinking differently about marketing. Let's say your company grows mainly by getting new customers, and I'll use round numbers for the sake of demonstration here. You can plug in your own numbers. It's really simple math, and I'll give you the link to the sales growth calculator at the end of this video. So, for example, let's say you have 100 customers. Let's say your average transaction per customer is 500. Plug that in. And let's say your average number of transactions per year is 2. That gives us a gross revenue of $100,000. So let's see what happens when we grow the number of customers per year at 10%. So 10% of 100 is 110. And we're going to have the same average transaction and the same average number of transactions. And that gives us $110,000 in revenue. Now, let's see what happens when you work on all three. So let's say we're going from 100 to 110. Then we're going to increase the average transaction per customer to 550. And the average number of transactions from 2 to 2.2. That gives us $133,100. That's 33% growth when you work on all three versus 10% growth just by working on getting clients only. You can see why it's super important to work on all three areas. It has a compounding effect, and it's a heck of a lot more cost effective than trying to grow your business by getting new customers alone. Now, here's a link to our sales growth calculator. If you want to play around with your own numbers, you'll see that even the smallest percentage increases in all three areas can drive significant growth. If you want help doing this for your company, whether it's doing strategy or setting up campaigns and creating content, send me a message or leave a comment below. And thank you for watching.